Hi guys, and welcome to Vidgeos review. What this is a web-based video creation software for first ever viewer-specific video creation software. This is what you see when you go to the homepage. It's as you can see, really nice. I spent like 5 to 10 minutes just looking at this. It reminds me of the Windows 8 interface. So here we have the Get Started button, which allows you to create your first campaign, your first project. My Vidgeos is where you can go to see your already made projects. You have settings over here which you can, where you integrate with your S3 account, and there are, I guess you can see video tutorials for that. You can integrate with Usign, MailChimp, GetResponse, and Aweber, and you can request an integration here. I have already requested the raw HTML form. You have tutorials here which are pretty good, and you can upgrade over here, support tab, and this leads to DJV page. So let's go to my Vidgeos, because I already made some certain project for this tutorial. I'm just gonna play. This is your basic canvas here. I'm just gonna play this so you can get the idea of what you can create here. So go to full preview and play. Okay, so what we have here, these are the elements that you can just click, and they appear like this. I'm just gonna show you on a new slide over here. When you have text, animated text, image, shape, icon, mail form, button, countdown timer, time, date, city, country, and social icons. So I'm going to show you what you can do with the elements with text, because you can apply this to any of the elements. So of course you can change the text here. You have style, you can change the color, you can center it left, right. The fonts, there are like really a lot of fonts here. You can choose to make it italic, go bold with the text, align text left, right, center. This is the transparency, the size of the text, and you have line spacing and letter spacing, which is cool. You can play around with that. The text shadow, if you choose color here, okay, let's go maybe with blue. As you can see what this does, that's all. You can play around with that also. It's pretty cool. This sort of gives you that glow effect, which is also cool. Okay, so you have animations here. You have in, mid, out, and loop animations, and it's cool. You can play it over here, and as you change the animations, it's instantly shown on the canvas. So that's cool. You can change the duration here. So if I go like this and play it now, you can see that it's taking the longer time, and you can delay the start of the animation. And this is the items delay, so individual letters delay. So that's pretty cool also. In masked means that if you click yes, it will only appear in this rectangle where the borders are. So if you have animation that goes like up and down, okay, basically if you have animation that goes up and down, it will only be shown the parts that are in the rectangle here. So if you go no here and play it again, so you see the difference like this and like this. Okay, Okay, moving on. The interactivity tab, the hover effect. Of course, you can put the hover effect when you go with your mouse over this. You can also select the duration in and out here, and of course you have on click open a new window, the same window, start a phone call, pause Vidgeos, resume Vidgeos, and restart Vidgeos. Pretty cool options. And as I said, you can do this with every element, and the elements are, you have a countdown timer that you can see over here. You can change anything here, the border, the text, the font, you have icons, you have images. This is an image, this is a shape element. Over here we have the button element. Just a second. This is actually, I believe, is the Optinform element, and it's really cool. You can of course edit everything, the text, the button, and then after they enter the email address, you can edit the thank you note over here. So that's pretty cool too. Okay, and of course you do have animations here and interactivity, so you can write thank you and link it to your homepage or something to after they click to lead them there. Okay, you have the social icons. Of course, if you don't want all of them, you can remove some of them over here, and yeah, you can edit everything about them, the size of the icon inside the circle itself, the color of the circle, and the color of the icon. Yeah, all of that, and you have animations and interactivity here as well. I think this is pretty much it. These features over here, these are all correct. The date is correct, the time, the city, the state, and over here in the images tab, you can just let me go to the new. You can select any of these done for you images. Of course, you can upload your own, and you have audio here, and this is I think the part of the audio, but really cool music here. And once you can preview it here, and if you go here, just you can add it to the background. And once added, you can check out what's the background over here, and you can also edit the audio here, which is really cool too. Okay, cool. You can record voiceovers here, which is a great feature. And oh yeah, and if you go here to project, you can change the aspect ratio here, the background color, you can upload your own thumbnail, and you can change the control buttons, the play, pause, volume, and full screen buttons. You can choose to show or not show them or hide them, and this is really cool. You can actually change the icon when something is loading, so you have a bunch of pre-made icons that you can see here, and yes, one of them is the Pac-Man. So there you go. You can choose to autoplay it, loop, pause on click, show logo. You can upload your own logo, position it in the corners, visibility always or mouse over, which is also a cool feature. Translations, it can be automatic or a button. If you choose a button, there will be a button here while playing, and the base language is English, and you can choose the translation language over here. Not sure if that I think it picks up from where are you, which country, which city, and it will translate into your own language. And I've tried it with mine, and it is pretty precise. And they're also adding an option to sort of have your own translations if you want to be more precise about certain things. You also have a bunch of templates here, which are all cool. You can add a single slide or all slides. You can of course preview them. This is the error because they're doing some changes at the moment, but you can preview the slides of course over there. I think this is covered pretty much everything. Oh yeah, just a second. You can save it here, and if you go to, and you will have it in your own projects, but if you go to save and publish, you will publish to your Amazon S3 account. So if I click here, Amazon S3 is huge, and even if you go over the limit, it's very cheap to continue using it. Okay, so this is the code you get. You can set the height and length, and you can center it and click to have it responsive. Then you have this code over here, and I have actually inserted this into my I created a page here. This is the Insta Builder, and I just use the HTML element here, and you can see the code over here, and that's basically it. So I'm gonna play this one more time for you. This is another pre-built template. Okay, so that's it for Vidgeos review. As you can see, I really like it. These pre-built templates really gives you certain inspiration on what you can do. I suggest check it out, and also get the OTOs, because you get a lot more templates and the OTOs here. So be sure to check it out. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.